Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sayeh. In today's video, we're doing a Sunday reset. It is about 1:40 right now. I'm just on my way to the store right now to grab some cleaning products and just a couple things that I need for my Sunday reset. But my boyfriend is watching football right now. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be productive with my time. I do have a big week coming up. Just gotta get prepared for that. Do a couple more things in the house in terms of cleaning, and then we will be done with that. I finally put my car mount on. As soon as I say that, my camera falls. Oh my God. You guys, what? Stop this right now. As I was saying before, my camera literally dropped to the floor. Finally put my car mount on, found it after I was cleaning yesterday. Life is just so much better with my car mount. I just pulled up to Dollarama. I love buying my cleaning supplies from Dollarama. So I've been looking for like the Scrub Daddy for a while, and I remember this Dollarama had it, but I don't know if they sell out really fast. I remember I was at Costco like last week and they had like the jumbo pack, and I was like, oh, I should have bought that, but I didn't. Side note, I actually put a post up on the community tab asking you guys if you want me to bring my weekly vlogs back, hour-long vlogs. A lot of you guys said yes, so I think I'm gonna start doing more videos like this, you know, that are a little bit more personal and I can talk to you guys. I'm standing on my business in 2024 for YouTube. I swear I haven't done this in a very long time, bringing out my camera. I'm not used to it. But anyways, let's head in there right now.
Hot sauce all at night time rhyming, yeah bitch, yeah bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah bitch. Yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah, bitch.
I just pulled up to the grocery store. I'm gonna buy some flowers. My boyfriend bought me flowers like last week, and I don't know what it is about just having flowers in your house. It gives you like peaceful vibes, and I really like how it makes the decor look. And I don't know, it just brings some like freshness into your space. And a side note, I'm honestly forgetting that it's Sunday and it is busy everywhere. Like this parking lot is packed. Dollarama parking lot was packed. Like, and I'm sitting here thinking like, why is it so busy right now? And then I'm like, it's Sunday. Who am I kidding? Everyone gets their stuff done on Sunday. So let's go.
You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. Guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Need some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Get some me time. I don't know. You know what you want.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Okay guys, it is about 4 o'clock right now. I'm just in the main bathroom. I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning. I have to clean the toilet, I have to clean the tub, and just organize a couple more things in here. And then once I'm done in here, I have to go into the master bedroom and go into the other shower and clean the stand-up shower, which I use all the time. I'm so not used to this Invisalign. I'm usually a very fast talker. This Invisalign doesn't allow me to talk fast. Like I have to like actually slow down my speech. It's really annoying. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna change my clothes first because I'm gonna be cleaning the toilets and disinfecting some stuff in here. So I don't want to be wearing my good clothes, and I'm obviously gonna be wearing some gloves. I bought some stuff from the store, which I've already shown you guys kind of briefly.
The truth is fitting, cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie.
Dog status, Bill Harbor. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Oh, your bag, tote the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as L'Oreal back to Paddock, then going as Jordan as dead. Philippe water trying to drown a bitch. Just a habit tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I'm cribbing a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up dope like it's dinner. Shit, that curve was gon' sit nigga trim. Shit, I'm floating, I'm out in the blimp. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit, I'm making her ex nigga mad. Shit, they go for that back up a smash. Real nigga alert up, clearing a bag. Piping a bitch, it ain't then I got cash. Turn up the shooters, the switches go bad. Stay with some scammers, but don't moving past. Trapping or rapping, my dog, you fall off. No capping, no bound, I'm a brick. Fuck on your bitch and I told her to call off. Actually, I'm making her quit. Painkiller, got my little demons on gold. They ready to hit with the stick. Painkillers, got my little bitch on gold. She ready to eat up the dick. My main hitters, call up the gang members. They was already on the lick. Hanging with me goes all these drugs and guns. Think we mess again. Man.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keep it in streets.
When I was at the store, I saw this and I was like, oh my god, this would be so smart to clean the bathroom. So this is a silicone mitt. It's actually used for like the stove and that sort of thing. But I was like, how smart would it be if I just, you know what I mean? How simple is that? Because I used to clean the bathrooms with like a bristle brush and I was like, okay, this kind of gets annoying and I can't actually clean everything I want to, but like, this is the brush on my hand right now. It makes things so much easier, you guys. I'm actually kind of shocked.
Got a white boy on my roster, he be feeding me pasta and lobster. He just hit me up on Tuesday like, what's doing, babe? Let me take you shopping. I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But anyway, it's okay, hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by 8:50. Then I told him, you treat me so well. He said, can't shop for sale. Matter of fact, stretch that, I'ma see respect just cause you fine as hell. And I told him, well, thank you, babe. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go, they just let me know that I could pick up a Mercedes. I got hoes, might just be on me, in different area codes. Everywhere I go, I call and they drop the low. Cause I got hoes, in different area codes. Some of them bros, and I be pimpin' cause they know. Got a nigga, yeah, he from the trap. He low-key, yeah, stay off the map. Anytime I need some money, he said pull up, cause it gotta be cash. Pushed up, he design it down. He like, babe, you ain't never around. When nigga, I gotta put up in the dirt, cause why you ain't never in town? I'm out of the way with Pablo. This nigga swear that he your chopper. He know not to play in my face, cause I swear it's hard for him to keep my calm, huh? He be tweaking cause he in my vato. In his pockets like I hit the lotto. I'ma get to this money and fuck these niggas. That's forever the motto. I got hoes.
You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Looked in your eyes, it's dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, it ain't perfect, but we them close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for. No angel, but you got a halo. When it's
Okay, so I just finished up cleaning the bathrooms. I disinfected the shower and the tub and the walls and everything. And I also cleaned the toilet. That is all done for the week. I usually disinfect like that once a week. It's just very important to do so because you're in those spaces every single day. So I definitely am gonna take a shower right now, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of self-care to finish off the night.
What I'm talking about, 'cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty.
I just got out of the shower. Honestly, my skin is looking so good right now. I don't know why, but I think it's because I've really upped my water intake. Like, she is glowing. So we're gonna keep up that glow, and I'm gonna do a clay mask. I'm just gonna change my clothes and we're gonna pop that on for tonight.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing it.
Okay, so I'm gonna put on a clay mask for tonight. I'm gonna be using the Formula Pores Be Pure mud mask. I haven't used the mud mask in a long time. I've actually had this for a while. I just haven't really used it much.
Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
So we've got the clay mask on. I'm gonna leave it on for about 15 minutes and then I'm probably gonna get straight to bed. I wanna get to bed early because tomorrow I'm filming a full week of workouts. So I'm hoping to get to the gym super early so I can film for that video. So I'm gonna close out this video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I post every week. Let me know what you guys wanna see in my next video. Ciao.